thank you so much for being here too. Can you just tell us a little bit, obviously we know that your name is Frank, but where are you from, Frank? And tell us about your love of either the cryptocurrency world or stocks and what it is that you do.
Hello, everybody. My name is Frank. As you know, as Jess pointed out, I'm from Atlanta, currently out in Germany. And I would just say, man, I got into stocks a while ago. I would say just started off like in the US, we had the 2008 recession, and I just saw how it affected my family. And I was just like, yeah, we got to make some changes. We got to do something different because it's ridiculous how you could work so long for a company or just have like such a good job, and the next minute like that, everything's gone. So that's really what kind of like sparked my interest into it. Now, in terms of just why I'm so heavy into stocks, why I'm so heavy into crypto, and also getting into NFTs more and more, is just because if you look at how the state of the world is, how everything's changing, it's just headed into a direction where you pretty much have to, I don't want to say just fend for yourself, but you have to pretty much make sure that all your assets are lined up so that no matter what goes on, whether it's high inflation, this, that, and the third, you can be protected, your family can be protected, and you have enough money to continue living comfortably well into the future. And not only that, for me personally, really got, I would say, just super heavily involved into trading stocks, trading options, like stock options. It started on Twitter actually, because I had already been into just buying and selling stocks for years, like long-term type of holding. But I saw some guy, he was trading options. And of course, it's Twitter, it's not like how it is now. You can say something get canceled, but back then it was a little bit more wild. And I was looking at it and he was like posting, screenshots of his profits. And in the back of my mind, I was like,
yeah, this is a scam. He's bamboozling somebody. I don't know what is going on. I was like, these numbers can't be real.
But he sent me a YouTube video. He's like, oh, it's just options. I was just like, oh, it sounds super simple. Yeah, right. So he sent me the YouTube video, watched it. The guy broke it down real nice. And at first I started trying it. I was like, okay, it makes a little sense, making a little money. But then when it really started clicking, I really started studying. Then I was like, oh, he was not lying about the numbers. He was not lying about, what you can do with stocks and options, how powerful they are. So
I'm not leaving.
Yeah, ever since then, it's just, kind of, not I won't say fairy tale ending because the story is not over yet, but it's been nice. We can say that.